Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Werhoo Jump Starter with Air Compressor, 3000A, car vacuum cleaner with 5000 PA suction. 12 volt, 150 psi. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include 8-in-1 multi-function car jumper starter. The car jump starter with air compressor has 8 functions. Emergency start, tire inflation, powerful vacuuming, vacuum compression, tire pressure detection, blower, mobile charging, LED lighting. This portable jump starter with air compressor is suitable for camping, traveling, outdoor, unexpected situations, home use and more, to meet your various needs. Jump box with air compressor parameter. Jump box with air compressor has a peak current of 3000 amp and can start the engines of most cars, motorcycles and more. 12 volt/8.0 L gasoline/12 volt/6.0 L diesel. Suction power, 4500 PA, blower power, 70 watt. Instantaneous maximum pressure, 150 psi. Car jump starter with air compressor can be used under conditions ranging from -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. Battery jumper starter portable safety protection. The shell of car jump starter with air compressor is made of PC plus ABS material, which has strong toughness and high heat resistance and more. It can be used under conditions ranging from -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, with a flame retardant rating of V0. Meanwhile, our car jumper starter portable with air compressor is equipped with smart clamps. It can anti-reverse connection, anti-short circuit, anti-spark, anti-overcurrent/overload, anti-overvoltage, and more. Safeguard your car driving. Car vacuum cleaner function. This car vacuum cleaner has a powerful suction force of 4500 PA. Meet your daily needs for car cleaning. Car vacuum cleaner high power can easily clean dust, pet hair, sand, and more. It can also be used at home and in the office when necessary. The car vacuum portable cordless is equipped with a dedicated vacuum cleaner kit, ready for immediate use. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.